All right, ready. Stand by. Go ahead, turn up, fade. It's clear. Or the finish on blah, 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 blah. Range clear. Time 9:15. Nice.
Yes.
Did we reload?
Oh,
Nope.
no.
Oh!
No. It is what it is. Still learning.
Load and make ready.
Oh, there we go. We're chilling.
Are you ready?
Ready?
Stand by. And finish, unload and show clear. I see clear, slide forward, hammer and holster. Downrange areas
There
clear!
we go. We're filming. And I'm getting the dance.
Make spaghetti.
Well, I can't really make ready.
Well, you can get a side picture if you want.
Oh,
Practice
true, true,
your
true.
draw.
Thank you.
I still have to say the command no matter what.
Yeah.
Why do you only have a sweat mark on your butt crack? I'm just kidding. Are you ready? Stand by. If you're finished, unload, show clear. If clear, hear me down, holster. That was a good run, buddy.
Thank you.
Range clear.
Appreciate it.
Make ready. Are you ready? Stand by. If you're finished, unload, show clear. If
Almost
clear, hear me down,
forgot to reload.
I thought you were.
I thought I was.
Range clear, 16.92.
This is my 11,347.
Okay, that's a window. All right.
Are you ready? Stand by.
No? I believe you, John. Don't worry.
Ooh. Limited. Unload, show clear. If clear, hear me now, holster.
Yep, it was limited.
Range clear.
Okay.
Forgot the limited part. Yep.
I was going to say, tell me what limited means.
Yep.
All right.
Yep. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Yep.
My last one. Are you ready? Stand by. I see clear, slide forward, hammer and holster. I saw the round come out, but I just wanted to double check. I think this is it right now.
I think this is it.
Downrange areas